Hi, I'm Craig Phillips and I've recently teamed up with Santander and got behind their latest campaign, buying into the green homes revolution. Now we all know at the moment energy prices are soaring. And what I wanted to do is share my DIY skills with all Santander's dear customers and staff to make your home more energy efficient, because I believe making small changes over time can make a big difference. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your radiators, which will make your system run more efficiently and of course save you money. Now it's a real quick, easy and inexpensive DIY task that you can do. The tools you're going to require are either a screwdriver or a radiator key. What I want you to do is turn your central heating system on at home, go around to all the valves, turn these up fully, and then after about half an hour to an hour, feel around all the radiators. You might find it's hot around here where it's coming in, it's nice and warm at the bottom, and it's getting a bit cooler. By the time it gets to the top up here, it's cold. Now if that's happening on 4, 5, even all 7 or 8 of your radiators, you're wasting a lot of energy. Because imagine this, your gas combination boiler, you've got the gas turned up, it's heating the water, the electric pump in there is pumping it around the system. It's working twice as hard to try and pump that water around when air is getting caught here. And you're sitting in your room thinking, ooh, it's a little bit cold. Them radiators aren't very hot. So I'm just going to turn them up a bit higher, turn my boiler up a bit higher and waste more money and energy. You need to do something about it. And this is what we're going to do, is bleed the radiators and get all of the air out of that system that's trapped out, and that will allow that warm water to fill all the way up so you get the full use out of each radiator in your home. So at the top of your radiator, either here on the side or sometimes at the back here, you have a bleed valve. Now my one is operated with a flat screwdriver like this. Yours at home may need a radiator key like this one. Either way, all we need to do is unscrew that a little bit and you'll start to hear the air hissing out of there. And that water then will start to rise higher and higher and higher until it eventually dribbles out either at the side of the valve, or on my one, I've got a little small hole in here. So do put your old towels down on the floor and have a couple of cloths at hand. Now you can start to hear the air coming out now. This could take anything from 20 up to 60 seconds. So now this water is more or less up to the top, should be coming out yet any minute now. There it is. So now we know all that air is out of here and there's just water coming right the way to the top. So I'm going to close that down, making sure it's nice and tight. There we go. Give that a quick wipe down. And that's got it. Now you need to do this around all the radiators throughout your house. And once you've bled them all, leave them on for about an hour and then feel the tops of them again. Because what you might find is when you're bleeding them from different levels of your house, the ground floor and the upper floor, some of the air could circulate around and find its way back into this first one. So you might need to just go around a couple of them and do it again. But not only is this going to save you money, it's also going to save energy and make your home a more comfortable place to be in. So thanks for supporting the Green Homes Revolution. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you want to know more energy saving tips, just visit the website santander.co.uk.